What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by client emails, update requests, or check-ins, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate 80% of your client communication by creating a single skill in Claude. So let's get started. Automate your client communications using Claude. We're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for automating the process. To create a skill, I'm going to click on customize right here, click on skills here, click on the plus icon and click on create a skill. Here, I'm going to hit enter to describe the skill I would like Claude to create for us. So here I'm going to tell Claude, create a skill that automates client communication for agency owners and consultants using a spreadsheet as a source of input. The skill should read the client data and bullet point updates from the spreadsheet, then transform that information to professional on-brand client communication by generating client update emails, meeting recap summaries, and response drafts that are ready to send. The generated outputs for each client should automatically be added into a dedicated Google Docs, and the skill should return the Google Docs link for review. It should clearly define the structure of the spreadsheet, the required inputs, the prompts used to generate each output, the workflow Claude follows, formatting standards for every deliverable, and how the outputs work together to help agency owners communicate with clients faster, more consistently, and with less manual effort. To create the skill, I'm going to hit enter here. Give it a few seconds for you to create our skill. You can see successfully created our skill for us. Here are a couple of questions that I answered it right here. Give you a response, and successfully packaged our skill right here. I'm going to save it. On the right, you can preview your skill line by line to ensure that it does exactly how you'd like it to work. Now, if the skill doesn't work exactly how you like to work, you can edit it. To edit the skill can manage right here. You'll be taken right here to your skill. And then, to previewing the skill line by line, so that it works exactly how you like it to work. If you like to include some information to the skill or exclude some information from the skill, you can edit it. To do that, just click on the three dots right here, then click on edit with Claude. And here, you can describe to Claude and tell it to include the information that you like added to the skill or remove the information that you like removed from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, you're going to go ahead and start using it. So I'll search for a skill, which is the client communication suite skill. Then we're going to tell Claude, use a skill to read the client data from the client communication spreadsheet, then process every client in the spreadsheet and generate required outputs for each client. Save each client's deliverables into a dedicated Google Docs and return the Google Docs link for review. In Google Sheets, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to Client Communication Spreadsheet. Here's where we are listing our clients. So here we are adding their company name, contact information, email address, service package, monthly retainer, current bullet points, meeting notes, client requests, priority tone, and additional context. So now, to automate the communication process, here I'm going to hit enter. Give it a second for it to generate our deliverables. It successfully generated our client communication packages for 4 clients using our skill right here. Let's preview the client communication packages for each of our clients. So to do that, I'm going to open this link for 4 clients right here. Similar to this one right here. We open our documents right here. You can see we successfully generated our client communication package for this electrician right here. You can see the client update email here, very personalized email. You can see the meeting recap summary. So you can see the key discussion points, action items, and the next touch point here. Same with this client. Here is a client update email, very personalized email. Here's a meeting recap summary. The key discussion points, the decision that was made, and the action items. We now generated response draft. Since there was no incoming client message found in the source data. For the client, here you can see the name. You can see the client update email right here, the meeting recap summary. And the last one is for this client right here. You can see the name, the update email, and the meeting recap summary right here. This is incredible. This is awesome. So to generate the response, we need to use the client request to generate the response. To use the client request, meeting notes, and the current bullet points to generate our response draft. Tell it to update the skill, so it generates for us the response. So you can see it updated our skill with the data that we just told it. So it's going to use the client request to generate our response draft, and it went ahead and updated all our 4 documents for our client. So you can go ahead and open these links to preview our client communication package one more time. Now when we open our new links, here you can see we successfully updated our client communication package. This time around we generated our response draft page of our client communication package. Here you can see a very personalized response that is ready to be sent. Right here, this is really incredible. Right here, so we successfully generated these client communication packages automatically for these specific clients using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. So we can try updating our spreadsheet with new leads and generate their client communication packages. So I've gone ahead and updated our client communication spreadsheet with 6 new clients. So you can see their company name, contact information, their contact email, the service package, monthly retainer, current bullet points, meeting notes, client requests, priority tone, and additional context. So now to generate client communication packages for these clients using our skill, I'll copy the prompt and reuse it right here. So that we're using our skill. I'm gonna hit enter. Let's give it a second for it to generate our client communication packages for our 6 clients. You can see it got our spreadsheet right here with the 6 new clients. Let's give it a second for it to complete generating our client communication packages. So here you can see successfully generated our client communication packages for all our 6 clients. Here to preview the client packages, I'm going to open the links to all our documents for each client. Right here. So now when we open our links here, you can preview our client communication packages. Here you can see the client update email that we generated for the client. Is a meeting recap and the response draft right here that is ready to be sent to our client. Same with this company right here. Here's a client update email, meeting recap summary, and the response draft right here. Same with this company right here. You can see the client update email, meeting recap summary, and the response draft right here. And with this client right here, here's the update email, meeting recap, and the response draft right here. So the meeting recap is what you discussed with this client during the call. Same with this client right here. Here's the update email, meeting recap summary, and the response draft right here. This is incredible. This is awesome. So we successfully generated these client communication packages for each of our clients that we added to this spreadsheet right here, using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. This is how you can automate your client communication process using Claude by creating this skill right here. So this is how you can automate your client communication process by creating this skill right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like me to automate manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.